Hi, my name is Myra Cagete and welcome to a new video. Today I'll give you another quiz about subject-verb agreement. In this video, I'll give you 5 questions about subject-verb agreement. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Which of these sentences is correct? Letter A, all of the pie is gone. Letter B, all of the pie are gone. What's your answer? If your answer is letter A, all of the pie is gone, then you're correct. With words and phrases that indicate portions, for example, some, all, a part of, a lot of, a majority of, half of, a percentage of, or a proportion of, if the noun or the pronoun after of is singular, then your verb should be singular. If it's plural, then of course, your verb should be plural too. So after ng of, andyan yung noun na pie, which is singular. So we say, all of the pie is gone. Kapag sinabi naman natin, all of the pies are gone, then that's correct. So all of, and then the pies, which is plural, we use are. All of the pies are gone. Another example, some of the cake is missing. Okay, so some of, after ng of, yung noun ay singular, which is cake. That's why we used is. So some of the cake is missing. 50% of the cake has been eaten. So 50% indicates a percentage or a portion. And after ng of, andyan yung cake, which is singular. That's why we used has or has been. So yung has ay isang singular verb. 20% of the team members are already here. After ng of, nandyan yung plural noun na team members. Okay, so if that is plural, of course, we should use are. Number 2, which of these sentences is correct? Letter A, 50 miles is too far to walk. Letter B, 50 miles are too far to walk. What's your answer? If your answer is letter B, 50 miles are too far to walk, then you're incorrect because the answer is letter A, 50 miles is too far to walk. Use a singular verb for distances, sums of money, and periods of time when they are considered as a unit. So 5 miles is considered as a unit. It's a distance. 10 years is the maximum sentence for this offense. Yung 10 years sa sentence na yan is considered as a unit, that is a period of time. That's why ginamit natin yung is. $1 million is a high price to pay. So $1 million is a sum of money. That's why we used is. Number 3, which of these sentences is correct? Letter A, neither the doctor nor the nurse is listening to their complaints. Letter B, neither the doctor nor the nurse are listening to their complaints. What's your answer? If your answer is letter A, neither the doctor nor the nurse is listening to their complaints, then you're correct. 2 singular subjects that are connected by or, nor, either or neither nor require a singular verb. Kung titingnan ninyo sa sentence na yan, parehong singular yung subjects. Yung doctor, singular, tapos nurse, singular din. Kapag ang dalawang subjects ninyo sa inyong sentence ay parehong singular at kinokonekta sila ng or, o kaya nor, o kaya naman either or neither nor, kailangan ang verb na gagamitin ninyo ay singular. Number 4, which of these sentences is correct? Letter A, neither the boss nor the assistants is listening to their complaints. Letter B, neither the boss nor the assistants are listening to their complaints. What's your answer? If your answer is letter A, then you're incorrect. The answer is letter B. Neither the boss nor the assistants are listening to their complaints. The verb in an or, nor, either or, neither nor sentence agrees with the noun or the pronoun that's closest to it. So, ang magiging basis ng inyong verb ay yung kung anong subject yung mas malapit sa kanya o yung pinakamalapit sa kanya. Sa sentence na ito, meron tayong two subjects that are connected by neither nor. So yung unang subject ay yung boss, which is singular. And yung pangalawang subject naman ay the assistants, which is plural. Since plural yung mas malapit sa ating verb, kailangan plural din ang verb na gagamitin natin. So, number 5, which of these sentences is correct? Letter A, there is many factors to consider. Letter B, there are many factors to consider. What's your answer? If your answer is letter A, there is many factors to consider, then you're wrong. The right answer is letter B. There are many factors to consider. In sentences that start with here and there, the true subject follows the verb. Hindi pwedeng maging subject ang here at there. Sa sentence na ito, as you can see, ang subject natin ay many factors, which is plural, kaya ang ginamit nating verb ay plural. Did you get a perfect score? Let me know in the comment section. I hope that you learned something new from this video. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll see you again next time.